And that's what I think life is all about. No, seriously. I'd like to thank everyone here. I'm not supposed to be really like giving a speech yet, I guess, but pero thank you everyone for taking time out to like celebrate with us. Um, it's been a great year. Surprisingly, we are still alive. Yeah. Yeah. It's because of you guys. So maraming salamat. And also because of us, because we're good. But no, mainly because you guys are always there supporting us, not just at gigs, even when you guys are at home, or even when you guys are just talking about it, like talking to your friends. We appreciate it a lot that you guys, you guys are always there. Tapos, sometimes I hear stories na parang someone would say something bad and you guys would defend. That's cool too. Yeah, yeah. Because you don't be messing with my homies, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, that doesn't mean anything. Yeah, yeah. No, pero seriously, like, we appreciate it a lot. May buntot. Like, oh, sorry. Sorry. There. So, man, Merry Christmas, everyone, and we'd like to thank, of course, we'd like to thank our manager, Solo Landay, for because he's hiding now. He doesn't like it when people say thank you to him. Tapos, he also likes the color black, white, and he has tall Wainsworth jeans. For reference point, look for movie Wainsworth 2 from 1995. We'd like to thank DJ Anyano Danday tonight. Yeah, DJ Lethal, bring it on! Yeah. And we'd like to thank, of course, we'd like to thank Fred Durst, Patricia Strick Sparko in the house. At Strick Sparko, yeah. Who else like to thank? We'd like to thank Tanay Zoo and Robert dahil nag-thank you na kami sa dalawa. Hindi mo pwedeng pati kayo, hindi, di ba? So thank you kay Dalsim, tsaka kay Ken. Tsaka, salamat kay Chris Candada for being here. Yeah, what up? And, it's been quite a while. I was expecting him to actually have hair, like spiky hair, but that didn't happen. So I was in my head. I was texting you. I was thinking spiky, but um, who else? Onang Iguela, of course. Salamat. Appreciate the effort and everything. Grabe. And kay Wela, thank you sa pagsiksik ng extra game dahil ang gusto ko laruin yung Pinoy Henyo. Kasi last time kong ginawa yan, medyo ang bulok ko eh. Kasi hindi ko alam paano siya laruin eh. Kukunya rin ako, walang ako ng oo eh. Pero yun, everyone, Montador, thank you for everything. Thank you sa paggawa ng plaque namin. Yeah! That's what we do as a band. We just collect plaques, Parang we go to the dentist and we collect plaques. Hey, that's not so good. Like I thank all our friends, like mga friends from 2004. Yeah, sila Eric, yeah. Represent 21 na yan, dati 16 yan, tapos before nun 15. Before din nun 8. Tapos yun, si Ma'am Girlie, Con, baka may makalimutan ako dahil nakalimutan ko talaga, sorry. Pero, si Tame, thank you ulit sa pagdala ng sombrero slash buhok. Napansin ko medyo meron si Miki Chavez today. Meron talaga yun. Yun, tama. At isa pa, one more time. Yun talaga. Diba? That you're willing. Vargas, thank you. Tsaka sa mama mo na pumupunta sa gigs. At sa ate mo na nasa barko. Sa bahay na ngayon, sila dito. Mahina. Di ba sa kanya, mahina. Basta sobrang appreciate it. Thank you. Sabihan na. Oo nga eh. And ayun, si Ange. Thank you.
I love you, Betty.
Oh my God, my baby! Dati na ayoko pa yun kasi nag-ready pa yata ako ng mga first grade college yung dati. What the shit, man. Anyway, sorry, you guys want to say anything? Because I might like start talking nonsense. Like a gig.
Nakakaiyak naman yan! Parang nagpapaharap.
Thank you. Diba ka? Yeah! Kamusta Pasko natin? O nga pala, may bagong kantang lalabas within the next 3 weeks siguro, 4 weeks eh. So, kasi December na eh, lalabas na yung bagong kanta eh. At sa totoo lang, maganda siya, promise. Sample, talaga? Ito ah. Sisimula niya T. J. Tapos G. J. Bumaba ako sa... Taxi naman. O, iba naman yun. Matento na siya. Dati nag-jeep lang siya. Ngayon nag-taxi na. Pero wala siyang pambayad. Hindi, masama yun. Kaya lang, hindi. Actually, meron tayong pwede kaming sampler, pero si Trix magka-sample. Hindi nyo pa alam kung gaano magaling sumayaw si Trix tsaka mag-flying kick. Teka lang. Sige. Trip lang tayo ng konti. Sample tayo ng isang kanta. Hanggang first chorus lang. Pero, ito yung twist. Lahat ng may camera, lahat ng cellphone, kaya baba muna para tayo lang may alam. Okay na ba yun? Ito nandito lang. Ilang mo ng recording. Saka walang patagong pag-record na naman ganun tapos naka-record talaga. Hanggang first chorus lang. O gitna, hindi. Hanggang third line ng first chorus. Hindi, wala lang. Pero huwag yung record. Basta kung ano lang.